Hey guys, welcome to Coding Plaza. Today we are going to discussing about Oracle sysguid. Uh, sysguid means that it's like a UID in the Java. Okay. So if you are having your knowledge on Java, so you may know that UUID. UUID means nothing but a 16-byte random number which will not repeat in the whatever the operation we are doing. It's a unique number with alphanumeric. Okay. So for now, I'm going to show you first intro of this. Okay. Let this let's go G moment. Okay. So if I'm executing this, here one random number has been displayed, right? So it means that it's then 16-byte data. Okay. So once if I'm re-executing this, so some other data will come here, right? So it has changed now 7180. The next one is 360866, something else it came. So that in which scenarios we will use this means, so there will be some security tokens will be there, some session tokens will be there, session IDs will be there. From DB we have to fetch and we have to get that to application and we have to maintain that until application session alive. Like the token where one user we have provided a token as for security. So until the token alive, this session ID will be used or else this geo ID will be used. Actually, same thing will be can we do in Java also called UUID. So here also it is one feature is there called sysguid, right? So this we will use to generate some of the random numbers means random data some unique numbers, unique alphanumeric details like that. For scenarios, we will use this GUID. Okay. So, yeah. Uh, so that this GUID we can able to use as a unique identifier or primary key or else a session key or else is in a sequence also. Means as usually small tables like metadata tables are there. For that we can use as a primary key also is non-sequential in the non-sequential. Okay. So, but coming to disadvantages, while you should not use this where you are having bulk operations use tables will be there, use data will be there. So, at the situations, you should not use this as a primary key or a sequence for your other table. Okay. So, this will be an unique identifier only you have to utilize in Oracle. Okay. So that just a sample example I will show you to generate a random numbers repeatedly and store into table as a temp data. Okay. See, I'm going to write a query. Means first I will create the table, create table, store, pin. So it's an alpha numeric character, right? So that we have to take as where can. So column name is sequences, so sequences where care. This is an extreme by data. So that roughly I'm giving a 20 to 50 and going to change and adding some random numbers also into this to increase the security of the key generated one. Okay, so just I'm going to add here only one column. Okay, so table sample has been created and I'm going to query the table sample image on finance. So here sequences came. So insert in sample table. And that's going to so what row has been inserted. So we can have to check this. So there will be a row. Okay. So like this, I want to perform the bulk operations to insert this. So we'll check that every time it's creating random number or not. So insert into sample. For this, So sample. So I'm going to select this for UUID given by level is equal to 100. Okay, so now I'm going to insert at a time 100 rows. Okay, this is what the concept to insert the dummy rows into the table. So this in future videos I will explain you guys. Okay, about connector by and level. Okay, so you see 100 rows has been inserted and you can check in sample table that. So I am going to commit here. So you can check here nothing is repeated value there. There will be definitely different values in a formula. Okay. So for today, this is what the content guys. Okay. So if you're having any doubts and please raise the doubt in comment section and if you require any suggestions, so I will reply in comments. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe and follow like.